Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing and review of some prescription eyeglasses that I got from Firmoo. Firmoo has a very wide variety of affordable eyeglasses, and it's really easy to enter your prescription information. Look at these super cute frames here. I'm absolutely loving the colors, the blues, the purples, and I especially love the rhinestone details on the sides. Super cute and stylish, and it can be styled in many different ways when it comes to your attire. I also love the cat eye shape. That's typically my go-to when I'm selecting eyeglasses. All right, so let's get them on. Look at these, y'all. These are so cute. Tell me they're not cute. They're super cute, and I absolutely love them. They're very comfortable, and they actually cover all of my ginormous eyes. Make sure you head on over to Firmoo.com and check out their selections, especially while they have a massive Black Friday sale going on. You don't want to miss these deals. Check them out. If I have a coupon code, I'll be sure to list that down in the description box below, along with all of the other information for Firmoo, so make sure you check that out as well. Also, make sure you leave me your thoughts on what you think about these glasses down in the comments below. You know I want to hear from you, so let me know what you guys are thinking. I thank you all so much for taking the time to watch this video today. I truly appreciate it as always. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will be sure to catch you beautiful people in the next video. Bye, y'all.